Good morning, guys. I've just been looking over at stats on this channel and 63% of you have not yet subscribed to the channel. So if you'd like to support us and hit the subscribe button, I'd repay you back with my commitment to make these videos better in every way. Thank you for watching, guys, and enjoy. So we are now just putting the last 2 rows on down there, and then where the wall steps in down there, steps up, there'll be a couple of cuts down here, cuts along the house, like we say. So Tom should get up here, somewhere up here, and then yeah, Monday, like I say, cuts on that wall. So yeah, so it's Saturday morning. Time is it now? About 11 o'clock now. So I'm going. Got here at 9, 9:15. Dropped little one off football. Just helped Tom. Tom is saving for a house and whatnot, so he's just working all the time. So I just come in, set him up a bit, get him all ready, clear a bit more at sight, round front, sweep up. Lots of crap everywhere. It's doing me head in. But yeah, there's not for me to do because he's so narrow there. Where am I going to stand over there now? You know what I mean? It's just, there's no point. But we've had the fastest delivery in the world. So yesterday, I'm going on the dark side. I've ordered a new phone. I've ordered an iPhone, and I hate iPhone. I have done for years, absolutely years. But like coffee, I hated coffee. Love coffee now. But yeah, just because when we record, it'll just go straight up into the cloud, and then I can just enter this cloud or something, and it comes back down, something like that. I don't know. Tom will be showing me, kids will be showing me what to do because they've all got iPhones. But yeah, I'm a new man. So yeah, so I ordered that yesterday dinner time, and it is coming today between 12 and 1, or 1 and 2, one of them anyway. 24 hours, got a new phone. Well good that. Well done, Vodafone. Well done. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you next week. Have a good weekend. Come on, Leeds. We're going to beat Sheffield Wednesday. Come on. See you soon, guys.